All right, this is the Greenworks electric pressure washer and also the Greenworks 11-inch surface cleaner attachment that's separate from that. So the pressure washer itself is 1600 PSI. It has a 20-foot hose, it has a 35-foot power cord, so you're able to get the long reach. And it also comes with two different attachments that fit over here on the side. You got a 25-degree nozzle and a 40-degree nozzle. Also has the ability to put chemicals in the spray bottle on the back. It works great as far as pressure washing, use it on house, car, things like that. Now you want to make sure that you understand if you're spraying a house or a car that you're not causing damage. So you want to use the appropriate nozzle for that. But if you're cleaning like a sidewalk or a driveway, it's going to take a really long time using just the nozzle. So a surface cleaner like this one is a great thing to have for doing that. This one's 11 inches and it works for pressure washers up to 2000 PSI. So this one being 1600 PSI will work that, but you don't want a really powerful one that's over 2000 PSI for this particular surface cleaner. So I'm going to demonstrate it. The surface cleaner just attaches to the end of the gun, which is great. And again, being electric, I just got it plugged in. You want to go ahead and turn your water on before turning the power switch on here, so it's already on. It has just a quick connect attachment here to attach your nozzles or the gun. So I can actually just demonstrate right here, you know, how it just pops on and off. Same thing with the nozzle. So I'm going to take that and just pop this on and it's ready to go. Okay, so we've got a dirty area over here, so I want to be able to show you how well it works. So you can see we're kind of in process of cleaning the driveway. We've got some area that's clean, but we want to demonstrate on the dirty area so we can show you how well this thing works. And so I don't know if you can see, but how much lighter that is compared to this dark area right here. So all I'm doing is just holding down the handle and then moving it back and forth as I do that. You can probably imagine how much faster that's going to be than using just a small nozzle. The nozzle has applications for that too, but for cleaning a surface, then this thing is going to make it a lot better. And another thing you can use the surface cleaner for is even cleaning rugs. You see here, we're using it to clean this dirty outdoor rug. I can recommend the Greenworks surface cleaner as well as the pressure washer. It makes a great combination.